Kuongerereka kwa mbogo iria ikwite kumana na murimu wa muriru ruria-ini rwa nyamu rwa Nakuru kuma 10 nginya 14 ni gucungereria mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugendi na nyamu cia githaka Susan Koech kwehana mukana wa murimu uyu gukorwo githerema makiria. Akiaria thutha wa icera ruria-ini rwa Nakuru, Susan Koech oigite kwina ugwati wa murimu uyu gukorwo gitamba nginya nja ya ruria ru kuria riu oritie muingi uria ukuhiriirie kwambiriria kuhe mahiu mao njanjo ya muriru.
We are looking at the issues of, the communities around here. So we're working very closely with the provincial administration to ensure that the communities around here are sensitized, to ensure again that, vaccination, that the Department of Veterinary Services is able to do vaccination for the cattle and other animals around here.
Imwe cia dalili cia murimu uyu ni hamwe na mahiu kuinaina, kuremwo ni kuria, kuharwo thakame, woibo ngingo-ini, gutahika gatagati ka mangi.
We are now distributing water to several other points within the park to ensure that the animals can get the waters from where they are.
Muingi ukihinyiririo gwika mituke kuhe mahiu mao njanjo guciriganiriria na murimu uyu, na uria ni ugwati munene kuri mahiu na andu mangihutania na nyama cia nyamu irwarite.
From tomorrow we'll have an helicopter so that the teams who are working here, the KWS team and the other government agencies who are supporting us, will be able to fast track the vaccination of the remaining one white rhino and 63 black rhinos.
Ona kuri uguo Koech igite maabitha KWS meshe bakuhitana na murimu ucio kuria riu mabikite brigisheni ya thiko 10 kuhe njanjo nyamu ciothe ruria-ini ru. Munyi cia rangi mweru ikirikana gukorwo iri hatikaini nene ya kunyitwo niguo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kihumo.